Ah, okay.
Ready? Di ba? 7, 8. Sana kayo? Dito. 7, 8. Last year ito? 7, 8. Tapos roll, cross forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and close. Ulit. Ready?
1 and 2 and 3.
Cross, kuya to. Ay, kuya F-King. Cross and cross and cross and cross and close. Ulit.
Bali tatlo na lang yung 1.
2, 3, close. Yeah. Ready? Kaba.
Creating dito tayo para may space sila.
Ready? And 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Wag kayong sobra sa akin.
1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Okay.
And
Close.
1, and 2, bagal.
Okay, sige.
1, and 2, and 3, and go. Yun. Ulit. Nakukuha nyo naman eh. Pag iniintindi nyo, yes, intindi nyo muna bago gawin. Okay, ready? And 1, and 2, and 3, and close. Okay. From the, yung hip-hip. Side to side.
Dito na natin ang step.
And 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. O, tingnan nyo, Kuya Ting, wala ka rin sa partner mo, sobra ka.
Wait, ulit na.
Actually, boys, pwede niyang gawin
Maliit.
5, and 6, and 7, 8. Ta, la, la, da, da, tatan. Laro yan eh. Tan, taran, tan, tan, tatan. Tatan, tan, tatan. Okay. Ta, 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 tatan. Can we do it from the top?
Yep.
Go na.
Matansa na dyan namin. Kung hapalalagi namin ginagawa yan, matansa na namin.
Yes.
Please sa activity mamaya.
Kaya nga, Kuya Ting, kaya nga dapat magtinginan kayo mag-partner para matansya nyo ang galaw nyo. Ready?
Balik na.
Salita.
Dito.
And 5, 6, 7, and a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8, and 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8, and close, a 2, 3,
Sorry.
4, nagpamadali kayo, 7, 8, ulit.
Sorry.
Sa counting nila. Ni ma'am.
Sige, ma'am.
May nagka-count, diba?
Si ma'am yung count yan.
Ready? And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, a 2, invisible. 5, a 6, and 7, a 8, and 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and 8, and 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, away, 7 and 8, 1, a 2, 3, a 4, and stop. And stop. Awa.
And quick.
And quick. And stop. And stop. Away. And in. Away. And in. And a 1, a 2, and bounce. 1, a 2, a 3. Ito ikot. Step. Close and bounce down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mali Joya. Step back.
Bounce. 1.
Abang, sige ma'am.
Balik.
Kalimutan ko
Music
rin.
tayo.
Natapo.
Woo!
Okay lang.
Music.
Sige. Tapos na. Tandaan natin pag-ikot mo.
May fan.
First time sayaw.
Pwede magpaa.
Tibot-tibot.
And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Makinig. 5, a 6, 7, a 8, and 1, a 2. Mabagal music, Joya. 5, a 6, 7, a 8, and close, open. Close, open. Knock.
Open. 1.
Ulit.
Hindi sila, wala sila sa beat.
Mabagal music. Pop, para. Pop, para. Pop, para. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ulit. 6, 7, go. And 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, and 8, 1, a 2, 3. Papam, pam, papam, pam, papam, pam, papam, pam, papam,
Slow.
and slow. and quick and quick and quick and quick and out. Tatan.
Up here, slow.
Tatan. Mabab. Gat. Mabab. Gat. And step. Close and
One, two, and one,
two and three and four and step. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Sinipsip. Mag-sip ka. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and go.
Sorry na late kami.
Again.
Hindi
Hindi kayo marunong ng
beat.
music. Kung mabagal ang music, syempre, mabagal ang ilang. Pag mabilis, syempre, mag-adjust kayo with the music, hindi may sarili ka
Practice
naman.
kami kanina. Ito ang music daw.
Isa pa!
Sige, sige.
Yan eh, di ba?
Hindi, okay lang hindi kami kasya
Isang
dito.
mabilis.
Na hindi kami kasya dito. Okay lang. Practice lang to dito na area.
I think, kung hindi kayo, kunyari, ito na yung edge.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng didiretso kayo doon. Hindi ko kayo.
Okay.
Get? Nakuha nyo?
Ano, ma'am?
Liliko ka. Pag may malapit na,
Bibili na lang
liliko ka.